In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buffer time to your calendar with Calendly. 5 minutes. Buffer time gives you breathing room before and after meetings so you're not jumping from one call straight into the next. It's perfect for prep, notes, and quick breaks, and it also helps prevent accidental double booking. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. Click login, then enter your email address, and continue. On the next screen, type your password and continue again to access your account. If you're using single sign-on, follow your usual login flow. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly home where your event types are listed. Choose the event type you want to update. Hover over it to reveal the settings or gear icon and click it. Select Edit to open the event's configuration. Inside the editor, look for More options. Click that to expand advanced settings, then open the section called Limits and Buffers. Here's where you set your buffer time. Use the drop-downs to choose how long you want before the event and after the event. For many people, 10 to 15 minutes is a good starting point. Longer sessions might need a bigger buffer. Buffers block your availability, so invitees won't see times that overlap with those protected windows. Keep in mind that buffers are set per event type, so repeat this for any other event types where you want the same protection. When you're satisfied, click Save Changes to apply your settings. Next, let's confirm how this looks on your calendar. Open your Google Calendar in a new tab, find a scheduled event created through Calendly, and click it. Then click the pencil icon to edit. Scroll down past the event details to the notifications area so you can see the full event options. Here, make sure the event's availability is set to busy. Busy prevents other events from being booked during your meeting and its buffer period. If it's not already set that way, change it to busy, then click Save. That's it. You've added buffer time in Calendly and verified your calendar will respect it. A quick tip: if your day tends to run long, set a longer after-event buffer to capture notes while they're fresh. If your mornings are packed, increase the before-event buffer for your first meeting. And if you manage multiple event types, align buffers so back-to-back meetings still have space between them. With these adjustments in place, you'll protect your time, arrive prepared, and keep your schedule running smoothly.